Welcome to a fresh new month, September 1st, 2025. A time to reset our hearts and intentions. Today, let's explore how the Buddha's timeless wisdom, the Dhamma, can inspire us to face a modern challenge with clarity, calm, and compassion. In our fast-moving world, one issue stands out: social disconnection and anxiety fueled by technology overload. We are always online, always connected, but often feel more isolated than ever. Think about it. Many of us spend hours scrolling on our phones, chasing likes and notifications, yet inside, we feel restless, lonely, and distracted. This constant pressure from technology has become one of the biggest struggles of our time. The Buddha taught that suffering, what we call dukkha, arises from craving, attachment, and ignorance. When we crave social approval, or when we cling to constant stimulation, we become restless and disconnected. Instead of peace, we experience stress. Instead of connection, we feel emptiness. The Buddha's teaching reminds us, true happiness does not come from endless craving, but from letting go. How did the Buddha offer a way out? Through the Noble Eightfold Path. It has three parts: morality, concentration, and wisdom. Morality means right speech, right action, and right livelihood. Speak kindly, act mindfully, even online. Concentration means right effort, right mindfulness, and right samadhi. Limit distractions. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Breathe consciously. Wisdom means right view and right intention. Recognize that everything is impermanent. This moment, like a notification, will soon pass. When we follow this path, we heal our inner world and naturally improve our connections with others. Here are a few simple ways to bring this wisdom into your life this month. 1. Digital mindfulness. Set specific no-phone times, during meals, during walks, or before sleep. 2. Meditate. Briefly. Even 1 minute of mindful breathing can bring clarity and calm. 3. Kind. Connection. Reach out to someone with compassionate speech, a call, a kind message, or even a smile. 4. Reflect daily. Before sleep, ask yourself, did I act with kindness today? Was I fully present? These small steps, practiced daily, lead to a big change in peace of mind. This September, let us choose awareness over distraction, kindness over impatience, and clarity over confusion. As the Buddha said in the Dhammapada, all formations are impermanent. Seeing this with wisdom, one becomes disenchanted with suffering. This is the path to purity. May your path this month be guided by peace, presence, and compassion. If this message inspired you, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who may need peace today, and subscribe to join our community of mindful seekers. In the comments, let me know. What mindful habit will you practice this September? Together, let's begin this month with wisdom and compassion.